body exists in the past and your mind exists in the future. In yoga, they come together in the present. These are the words by B.K.S. Iyengar. As we all know that yoga is a Sanskrit term which means to join, unite or yoke together, and the essential purpose of the yoga is to bring together body, mind and spirit into a harmonious whole. The central methods of yoga are physical postures or asanas and movement, breathing techniques or pranayama and meditations. Yoga includes guidance on healthy lifestyle, eating habits, mental attitude, and Ayurvedic medicine is also part of the yogic path to health and balance. So, let's join to watch some common yoga postures. Padmasana or lotus position is a cross-legged yoga posture which helps deepen meditation by calming the mind and elevating various physical ailments. It reduces muscular tensions and brings blood pressure under control. It improves digestion. It helps pregnant ladies during childbirth. It relaxes the mind. Paschimottanasana, seated forward bent yoga pose. It is an excellent asana that can help improve your mental health and overall well-being. It improves the flexibility of the hip. It strengthens the abdominals and knee joints. It can help improve digestion. Ardha Matsyendrasana, half load of the fisher's pose. It calms the mind and reduces stress and anxiety. It opens your chest muscle and lungs and reduces the risk of respiratory disease. This improves the flexibility of the spine. This asana can help in managing slip disc. It massages and stimulates the function of the abdominal organs.
Vrikshasana. It strengthens the legs and opens the hips. It also improves our neuromuscular coordination, helps with balance and endurance. It improves alertness and concentration. It may also help those who suffer from sciatica, nerve pain in the leg. Padahastasana. Massages the digestive organs, alleviates flatulence, constipation and indigestion. Spinal nerves are stimulated and toned. It also increases vitality and helps in improving the metabolism and concentration. It also helps with nasal and throat diseases. Tadasana. It corrects our posture and makes our spine more flexible by improving our body balance. It increases the flexibility of our ankles, joints and thighs. Tones our pelvic muscles. Helps increase height if practiced regularly during the growth years. It strengthens our nervous system and boosts the functioning of our digestive and respiratory system. Dhanurasana. Stretches the entire front of the body, ankles, thighs and groins, abdomen and chest and throat and deep hip flexors. It strengthens the back muscles and improves posture. It also helps in stimulating the organs of the abdomen and neck. Pavana Muktasana. It strengthens abdominal muscles and reduces belly fat. It also helps in strengthening the back. It massages the intestines and other abdominal organs. It tones the arm and leg. It aids weight loss. It also helps in promoting digestion and relieves constipation. Chakrasana or the wheel pose. During the asana, the chest expands and the lungs get more oxygen. This makes the pose especially beneficial for asthma patients. It reduces the stress and tension in the body and helps in sharpening our eyesight. This asana helps to strengthen the back and increases the elasticity of the spine. As you practice yoga, it does not only help you to improve your physical body, but also helps in maintaining your inner peace and relaxing your mind. Thus, there is nothing that yoga will not help. Moreover, yoga is not just a one-day practice, it's a lifelong commitment. Yoga is a journey of the self, through the self, to the self.